With Florida now topping 100,000 new coronavirus cases, health officials are working to pinpoint how and where the virus is spreading. In some cities, the focus is shifting back on businesses like restaurants to make sure they're complying with safety measures. Jessica is looking into that story this morning.
We're starting to see cities like Miami really start to crack down on businesses who are not complying. So we reached out to our local agencies to see whether or not they've seen an increase in the number of complaints made. Florida topped 100,000 coronavirus cases on Monday. With that, health officials are now reissuing advisories for social distancing and wearing a mask. Leading the state in the number of cases is Miami-Dade County, with the mayor there saying the city is cracking down on businesses that are not complying with COVID-19 safety measures. Some restaurants there have already been shut down, with the mayor saying there will be zero tolerance for establishments that do not follow rules to stop the spread. We reached out to some of our local agencies to see if they've seen an increase in the number of complaints here and if we can expect any tightened safety measures. The Cape Coral Mayor's office said it is not aware of any complaints related to restaurants. We followed up with the police department, who's in charge of investigating any complaints. They didn't confirm any uptick since cases have risen, but said officers are dispatched to any establishment that is reported. An officer will document the incident and determine if the establishment is in violation. If so, those reports are then referred to the state's Department of Business and Professional Regulation, who determines any penalties regarding licensing and fines. Earlier this month, we told you about how the department has placed a lot of responsibility to report non-compliant establishments on citizens, pointing to its online COVID complaint portal. We also asked city leaders whether or not we could expect to see tightened restrictions. For example, whether or not we'll start to see them require all restaurant staff to wear a mask. So far, I can tell you, City of Cape Coral has responded saying they do not have any such plans. Jessica Alpern, Fox 4, in your corner.